Hello, hello there, friends. Good day, good day. I hope you're having a fantastic day. A day as good as mine. To my Vietnamese friends, chào mừng. Xin chào. Guten Tag. Magandang umaga. My friends, today I have something on my mind. And before I proceed, I am going to demonstrate. It's been bugging me, and I have to say it. I'll demonstrate. Frittata, frittata, frittata. Oh, I got the wrong sign. Tata was already being freed. Huh. That's the right one. Frittata, frittata, frittata. My friends, don't mind me being silly. I didn't have breakfast yet, but I'm about to. I am making frittata. Sorry about the silly skit. So, my friends, today, like I said, I'm making frittatas. Or frittata, for that matter. I'm only making one. See what happened when you don't have coffee in the morning? I haven't had my coffee yet. But here I have about 9 eggs. They're small, so I decided to use 9. It's a customized frittata. I am using cherry tomatoes, I am using peppers, and just in case you wonder why my pepper looks so beat up and tired. What I've done, usually when you buy peppers in bulk, oftentimes they go bad without certain remedy. And the remedy for this one was I've decided to cut them up, quick pan roast them, and freeze them. In that way, you'll have pepper on demand. There'll be parsley going into my frittata. Asparagus. Feta cheese. And added protein will be a grilled breast of chicken, which I have in my air fryer. And to garnish will be some chives. And so, my friends, I'm going to go ahead and do some whipping and some sauteing. And I'm glad you could join me. Let's have breakfast. So my friends, almost at the finish line, or not quite. This is just a prep portion. So breast of chicken, I just took that out of the air fryer. Now I'm going to saute everything together with my egg, and everything will go into the skillet, and off we go in the oven. Probably bake for about 10-15 minutes at temperature about 350, 380, and breakfast will be ready. It's brunch time. I need to have a drink, but first I must finish my coffee. All right, let's get some oil in here. Once heated up, I'll be sauteing the vegetables. At the same time, the oven is going, preheating, ready for baking of my frittata. Now, frittata, some refer to as a crustless quiche. The tricky part about leftover is that you may have to save it on a flat surface of some sort, so it's easy to scoop up when it's time to reheat. But I'm not worrying about leftovers. Let's do this now. There might be a little too much vegetables. The ratio needs to be about 2 cups. But it's all for me. So we'll take it from there. While that's going on, I'll be just give a little bit of seasoning here. Fresh ground pepper. Let's do a little bit of garlic salt. And how about a little bit of garlic onion spice blend. You don't want to make it too salty. It's got to be a healthy treat. Stir this sucker up. And once this is sauteed, the eggs will be going in. While they're sauteing, I'll be beating my eggs. Can you say breakfast? I'm ready. Get the chicken in there, give it some moisture. The chicken is a bit overdone, but that's all right. It's going to be a delicious frittata. I can hear the oven ready. Okay, my friends. So the sauteing the vegetable is now completed. And I will add my eggs. All right, so I'm gonna start it in. So everything is equally distributed. Get a drop out of it. And then let's sprinkle my feta cheese. I'll be generous. This will end up being about 1,500 calories per serving. But I'll be consuming it over many days, so I'll be very generous. What the heck, I'm gonna use the whole darn thing. I'll maybe save a little bit. Little self-control here. Not much. All right, and now I'm gonna pop this in the oven. Oh, let's use a holder. Gonna bake that for about 10 minutes, and breakfast will be served. I can't wait to share it with you. So my friends, the frittata is almost ready, but I made a big blunder. Huge, well, not so huge. I forgot to add milk, but I'm sure it'll turn out perfect. Anyway, my friends, I'm gonna make me some, so men cannot live by eggs alone. So I'm gonna make me some pancakes, some flapjack to go along with that. What I'm doing here is very simple. I'm just gonna add a little bit of this super high protein mix. let's see. I'm gonna make a small portion. So I'm gonna go for. Let's put an egg in there. I'm going to add, I don't have to, but I will, a little bit of olive oil. And I'm going to mix with water instead of milk. Let's make it a little thinner. That should do it. A couple of pancakes, and we're good to go. So my friends, I am not going to keep you waiting any longer. The frittata is ready. And so are the pancakes. But before I dig in, I'm going to have a glass of cheap spumante. I won't show you the label. It's not worthwhile showing. But I'm home. I call it a no-frill day. So let me get a glass pour in here so I can cheers with you. I don't have strawberries to color it up. I'm going to turn my back a little bit from you. And I'm going to drop a few blueberries in there, just for color. It's all about the presentation. So before I break out the frittata, cheers to you. Prost. L'chaim. Abat prestante. Ura. Cheers to your health, my friend. Cheap but tasty. All right, so now we are at the end of the road. Let's get Get the frittata out. Let's bring the camera down. Look at my frittata. Oh, let's sprinkle a bit of chive over it. Give it some color. I will not say bam because that would be using some one word. I would just say bam bam. I'm gonna cut into this and let's see. I have a. Let's do this. So as I mentioned, my blunder with this recipe, I forgot to add milk to the. Oh, this is hot. I forgot to add milk to the egg mixture, but I think it still turns out all right. Still looks very good. Of course, that's my pancakes. Look a little bit pale, but they're cooked. The griddle wasn't hot enough when I put them on, so they cook slowly. But see, take a look at that. It's cooked perfectly. So my friends, I thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen. Before I take a bite, you get the first bite. So as you notice that even though the milk was missing, it still carries a certain level of consistency. So that works out well. If I may say so myself, wow, it's so good it got me stuttering. Bam, bam. Absolutely perfect. Perfect, perfect. I should add a little bit of salsa to this, but that I'll do later. Delicious, delicious. That's frittata done right. So my friends, thank you so much for joining me today. Thanks for watching me cook. I hope I inspired you. Until then, this is your Jamaican in the Mood, saying one love. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you're new to my channel. Peace. Loving my friend. Tata for now.